Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Zena is chilling in the camper. We are camping at the Circus RV Resort in Las Vegas, and I just made some delicious breakfast English muffins. Keep watching to see how I made them. We're going to be making some ETA English muffins. If you're in a hurry, you can just whip these together real fast. We've got 3 eggs. We're just going to scramble those off to the side. The eggs are the E of the ETA. Then we're going to get about 1 tablespoon of garlic and we're going to scramble that into those eggs. Now we're going to slice 1 heirloom tomato, and this juicy tomato is the T. Of course, you've got to eat part of it because they're so delicious. Now just separate 3 English muffins, and we're going to put those in the same pan as the scrambled eggs, just off to the side. Now get your avocado and just smash that up. We've arrived at the A. On a plate, you're going to put the bottom of each of your English muffins and then 1/3 of the scrambled eggs. Now Mr. Cameraman does not like tomato or avocado, so we're just going to put those on too. Put on some garlic powder and some aleppo pepper, and you're done. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to try out this recipe, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.